For AI modeling you should know. 1. Domain knowledge for AI modeling. 2. Data lake of domain. 3. Data to data lake of the domain. 4. Type of AI models. 5. Machine learning. 6. Deep learning, deep neural networks. 7. Data to DNN. A. Training data. B. Test data. C. Unseen data. 8. Design of DNN. A. Input data. B. Hidden layers. C. Output data. 9. Output forecast. 10. Python libraries. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. Comment on the above. Your list covers a lot of crucial elements in AI modeling. Let's break it down. 1. Domain knowledge for AI modeling, absolutely essential. Understanding the domain you're working in is crucial for designing effective AI models. 2. Data lake of domain, having a repository of data specific to the domain is valuable. It ensures easy access to diverse data sets, facilitating model training. 3. Data to data lake of the domain, collecting, cleaning, and organizing data into the data lake is a critical step before model training. 4. Type of AI models, there are various types like supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement learning, etc. Knowing which model suits your problem is key. 5. Machine learning, a foundational aspect of AI, encompassing algorithms that enable systems to learn from data. 6. Deep learning, deep neural networks, a subset of ML focused on neural networks with multiple layers. It's particularly effective for complex tasks like image recognition and natural language processing. 7. Data to DNN, understanding different types of data crucial for DNN, training, test, unseen data, is essential for model evaluation and generalization. 8. Design of DNN. A. Input data, understanding the nature of input features is crucial for designing the input layer. B. Hidden layers, the architecture and configuration of hidden layers greatly impact model performance. C. Output data, knowing what kind of output your model needs to generate is fundamental in designing the output layer. 9. Output forecast, models often generate forecasts or predictions. Understanding how to interpret and utilize these outputs is key. 11. Python libraries, Python has an array of libraries, like TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, scikit-learn, that are immensely helpful for AI modeling tasks. Being familiar with these can significantly streamline the modeling process. Thanks. Your list covers a broad spectrum of AI modeling elements, showcasing the complexity and interconnectedness of the process. Mastering these components is crucial for developing effective AI models.